Using a Ninja Fit blender, here's what not to blend: jams, stalls, or burnt smells. A lot of that comes from putting the wrong things in your Ninja Fit. Here's what to skip if you want smooth blends without killing the motor: raw, hard veggies. Uncooked carrots, beets, and squash are tough for this little machine. Steam them first or chop them tiny if you really need to include them. Sticky dried fruit. Dates, raisins, figs. They gum up the blade and make it stall. Pre-soak them in warm water for 10 minutes and they'll blend smooth. Super thick nut butters. Trying to blitz a whole jar of peanut butter? That'll choke the motor. Blend it with milk or yogurt instead, or add it after the main mix. Tough frozen chunks. Big frozen strawberries or solid freezer cubes can jam it up. Break them smaller or run them under warm water to soften the outside. Hot liquids. Nope, hot stuff builds pressure and can crack the cup. Always let soup or coffee cool before blending, or skip it entirely. Following these rules keeps your Ninja Fit smooth, fast, and way less likely to stall. And if the blades still struggle or jam often, they might be dull. You can't sharpen them easily, but I've linked a replacement blade base below that gets you back to blasting through the toughest stuff. Thanks for watching, and blend smart.